Hi guys, and sorry about the hair, I am just loosening it so I could get it re-braided. But I wanted to show you something. Come look. It's a new shower head for the shower over there. Me and my mom just unboxed it so I could put it together. I didn't really needed her help. She said I could do it. So let's get to the instructions. Okay, so here's the instructions. This is the first step, this is the second one, and the third. Here's the fourth step, and the fifth step is right here. And this is the sixth step, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and the 10th and final one. Oh, there's one more. This is actually the 11th step. So, if I want to put this together, I'm gonna need to do it by the book. Okay. Let's just unbox each of these. Come on. Take this out. Take this out. Okay. Here's a little... Okay. And this. This will take a while to unbox these. And this. Those. Okay, now for this. Oh, I got one that looks like a microphone. Okay, Aiden, stop fooling around. Let's put this together. Okay, I got all the pieces right here. See? Okay, the bags are on the toilet. Okay, let's put this together, following the instructions. Okay, this goes here according to instructions. I don't know how to put this on. Look at this. This looks like a tiny gun. Pew, 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 pew. I told you, Aiden, stop screwing around. Okay, Aiden, you want to put this together or not? But this looks like a microphone, and this looks like a minigun. I know, but we have to put this together. You can play with these after, or actually you won't play with these because these go on the shower. Okay, I won't mess around anymore. Good. Now let's get to it. Okay, guys, I just had a realization. This goes on there. So I'm gonna put it on. Okay. Okay, there we go. I guess this is okay. Okay. Okay, now for the other pieces. Okay, now to put this on that. Come on. Just gotta screw this in.
Back up a little bit, Aiden. Your hair is in the way.
Sorry. Ignore that. Okay. Now to put this in. Okay, this is the right way. Okay. Next is this shower head. I'm gonna put these two together into here. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here. Just gotta get this in. Got it. Well, screw this on. Get it? Screw this. Except I add it on. Come on. I think it's the other way. No, it's the right way. Put it in the right way. Come on. Come on. Okay. Got that down. Okay. Oh no. There was supposed to be one in there. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. Come on. Let's get this out. Okay. Okay. Let's get one of these out. Put it over there for now. I bet this explains why I have this. Okay, I actually got it. Okay, let's see what's the next thing on the instructions. This. The one that looks like a rope. I play with it as a snake. Hey, sorry. Okay, no. Could you just let me have fun for once? Okay, now it's an even better microphone. Oh yeah! Okay, I'll stop. Okay, now to put this... Ah! The snake is biting me! Ah! Sorry. I got that from my other self. I wish you would stop. Okay, let's put this on. This is hard. I think it goes like this. No, it doesn't. It goes like this. I have to turn it. Okay, now for the other. Okay, so this goes on the wall, but I don't have time to show you to this on the video. Okay, I guess I'm done. Let me know if my shower head looks good. Bye.